Howdy, this is Tom Eckert coming at you live from Sizemore Weiss Studios, Tulsa, Oklahoma. And today I wanted to jump right into Infraworks. It's a great package of software. We're pretty excited about the models that we're coming up with. And just for a quick demonstration, at the top of the utility bar on the left are the cloud tools, which allow you to perform such actions as displaying shared comments in the model using design feed. You can also publish your model to the AutoDesk-360 account. You can access the 360 account on the application settings. Now, on the right are the overall program tools that are useful no matter what you're working on. For example, the bookmarks panel will allow you to bookmark a view of your model that you can come back to over and over, upload as a panorama on the web. There are also tools to undo and redo any actions. The canvas can control the visibility, the display, the selective availability of your features with the Model Explorer. You can switch edit mode and switch to selection mode. Now, if you need a different proposal or want to create a proposal, you can do that with the proposals icon. Finally, you have access to the help menu. The canvas is the model where you work with your model. Now, on the canvas, you'll find the main intelligent tools and the related subtools, as well as the presentation tools and settings, as well as utilities. For example, click the Build, Manage, and Analyze Model tools, and the additional intelligent tools for this tool appear at the right of the base tool. From here, you can select the Create and Manage tool, your Features tool, the Conceptual Design, the Analyze Your Models as well. Click the Create and Manage Model tool. The subtools for this intelligent tool appear right below it. Some of the subtools that you see are the data sources, surface layers, model explorers, the properties, properties, and in order to manage and create conceptual design features, you'll be using these as some of your most used tools, so I want you to really get familiar with them. Once you're comfortable with the new tools and the subtools, you can turn on and off the labels by just clicking the Option gear icon under the Switch to Home tool right here. You can also hide the subtools for a more workable model space. You can shade hover. It's a useful selection option. By turning this on, Infraworks produces shading behind the tool buttons when your cursor is placed near or over them. You can navigate the model using several different methods. The view cube, which is located on the top right corner of the canvas, can be used to rotate and orbit the model. The left button can also be used to rotate and orbit the model. When you're rotating, you can look below the terrain to see the underground features. Check this out, the pipes right below, and using the mouse you can zoom into the model with the scroll wheel. Now when you hold the right mouse button down, you can drag and pan the model similar to what the middle mouse button does in AutoCAD. To move up or down using the mouse, you can press down on the middle mouse button. Now try clicking on the top view cube to return to a plan view. In addition to the view cube and the mouse, you can use game style keys. Might sound familiar, the WASD, and you can move around your model using these keys as well as the arrow keys on the keyboard. Now to return to the home view, click the home button on the view cube itself. It's a quick and easy way to zoom to specific objects to make sure that the select tool is active. And simply you double click on the feature and you can zoom right into it. Now during the zooming process, you can click to stop it from zooming in too far. When you select a design feature in the model, such as the building, the asset card for that feature displays, showing you the properties of that particular feature. It also allows you to make any changes to the feature and functions. You can navigate to other design features in the model. You can show or hide different attributes for the feature. Now, to import data into your model, navigate to the Build, Manage, and Analyze Infrastructure Model Intelligent tool. Click to expand this tool, and then click the Data Sources subtool. Using these tools, Infraworks 360 can import a variety of data types, a huge amount. Within the Data Sources panel, you can see the different sources that are imported into the model, as well as the ability to configure or refresh them. Now, to select objects within the model, click the Select Model Features Intelligence tool. Among some of the subtools under this intelligent tool are the standard selection types. Those are the subtools to select objects for editing, such as window select, radius select, and filter select. To create and edit features, watch this. Click to expand the Create Conceptual Design Features tool. There's several different subtool features available that you can add. Those are such as roads, rivers, barriers, pipelines, just to name a few. When you select a feature to add to it, the Select Draw Style panel appears. Now, this allows you to choose the style of a feature that you want to create. Watch this. To measure distance within your model, click the Analyze Your Model tool and choose appropriate subtools such as path distance, rangefinder, and point-to-point distance. There are a few different types of subtools available here. You can measure point-to-point along a path distance, or use a rangefinder which measures the distance in your acute view of the object. There's also a terrain measurement tool that you can measure the area and the volume. Now finally, if you're that kind of person who likes to use a keyboard, we got a ton of shortcuts. To see the shortcuts that are available, navigate to the Help tool, it's up in the right-hand corner, and choose Keyboard Shortcuts. This opens the online page, which is available shortcuts within Infraworks 360. You can see it's huge, great layout, and makes it very user-friendly. With a little practice and use, you'll be able to navigate quickly through your model, and whatever you have, whatever your boss tells you to do, you're going to have those tasks that you can have right in front of you at hand. Thanks for watching. I think you're going to enjoy Infraworks 360.
Can't stop, addicted to the shindig. Chop, chop, it says I'm gonna win big. Choose not to like of imitation. Just get close into the reservation. Keep on the pistol that you pay for. This pump the feeling that you stay for. In time I want to be your best friend. Eastside love is living on the west end. Knock out the boy you better come to. Don't buy your number to the sun too. Go write your message on the pavement. And so bad I wonder what the wave meant. White heat is screaming in the jungle. Complete the motion if you stumble. Go ask the